Hey guys, just want to talk about the race a little bit tomorrow. So tomorrow we will go to Fender's farm. As you can see, I do have some pictures I need to share with you guys at some point, so I will be doing that. But um, right now, let's talk about Fender's farm. Address is Highway 107, Jonesboro, Tennessee. There's not an exact address, but if you go to MapQuest or put the address in your phone, this will get your parents to the meet tomorrow if they plan to come. So Highway 107 Jonesboro, it will take about an hour. And if you want to ride with your parents, you may do so. Coach Nunn's talked with Coach Wade and said that you may ride with your parents. Make sure if you come with your parents, you let us know so that the bus is not waiting on you. And if you want to ride the bus, it will leave from behind THS at 6:30. Please arrive between 6:15 and 6:25 so that we can get everybody checked in. If you ride with us and then want to ride home with your parent, that is also permitted. But as always, please let us know that as well, because we have to just keep track of you guys and we don't want to leave somebody at the meet assuming that they went home with a parent and then maybe they didn't that time. Make sure you bring your water bottle, your face mask, your uniform, and your running shoes. Weather tomorrow, it is fall, so 7 a.m. is going to be 50, 8 a.m. 53, 9 a.m. 55, so it's not going to go up very much in the early morning. This is perfect race weather. I love to run in the 50s. So your singlet and shorts will be perfect to race in, but it'll be a little cool if that's all you come in. So make sure you have other clothes, warm-ups to travel to and from the race with. All right, survey from this week. Thank you guys for filling this out. Here are some of the results. So as you can see, 64% of the people prefer to practice at 5:30. When we look at what people can actually do, it's very close. I think there's one person difference. So most people one more person can be at 3:30 than 5:30. It's a toss-up. Most people want it to be at 5:30, and this has been a dilemma all year for us, so please understand we're trying to do what is best for the entire team. So as of Monday, our practice schedule, we will be going with the 5:30 practice because we feel like most people can get there at 5:30 and most of you guys prefer to be at 5:30. There may be some days where I show up at both 3:30 and 5:30 if we want to do workouts. That way, the people that just can't be there at 5:30, you can still get your workout done. And I'm willing to do that on Tuesdays when we have workouts if we need to. All right. I asked if you guys would like to do a bike ride over fall break, and 16 people said yes. I know some of you guys are going to be out of town, so you had to say no, which tells me that most of you guys that will be here would like to do a bike ride. So I will try to plan that over fall break. That'll be a little different this year. You guys will have to meet us at the trail with your bike and stuff instead of meeting us at the school with your bike, just because with COVID-19 and having all the restrictions that we have, this would be easier to do. But I am excited that a bunch of you guys want to do that, so we'll try to plan that. All right, setting a goal for tomorrow. This is a fast course. Many of you guys will run a minute or two faster than you did just a week or two ago. It's flat and it's going to be cool. The temperature is going to be perfect to run. And if you set a challenging and realistic goal for tomorrow based on your mile repeats and your previous race times, we should see some really fast times. Okay? Don't get hung up on thinking you're going to run what you did last week because it's completely different course, completely different footing. Everything is different. Okay? So running fast, running PRs happens when you show up with the right attitude. Okay, you guys have had the right attitude this year. It's been great so far this year. You also need proper training, your proper diet and rest, and you need a plan on how to achieve your goal. You can't just show up and say, I'm going to run this. You have to know, what is your goal? How are you going to achieve that goal? What are you going to run the first mile in? What are you going to run the second and third mile in? And if you have a goal and you break it down, you can achieve those better. All right, so the training part, we've been running since June. So June, July, August, and now September. You have 4 months of training, and we've done 4 very solid weeks of mile repeats, and you guys have improved every week from those mile repeats. So the training part is there. So if you guys show up with the right attitude and do these other things, the rest should take care of itself for tomorrow. And that's all I have for today. If you have any questions about anything for the race tomorrow, just let us know. Otherwise, we will see you bright and early in the morning. Have a good day.